Hello student, welcome back to basic English class. In this session we are going to discuss about some important proverbs. The first proverb is खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर. In English we can say this: an empty mind is a devil's workshop. An empty mind is a devil's workshop. You can repeat it twice, then you can learn it. The next one is जिनके घर कांच के बने होते हैं उन्हें दूसरों के घर पत्थर नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. Those who live in glass houses should not throw stones. You can say like this. The next one is विपत्ति मित्रता की कसौटी है. Adversity is the touchstone of friendship. You can repeat it twice. एक गंदी मछली सारे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. In English we can say a rotten apple spoils its companion. You can say a rotten apple spoils its companion. Next, अंधे का गधे का खिलाया पाप न पुण्य. Kindness is lost upon an ungrateful man. The sixth one is आसमान से गिरे खजूर में अटके. You can call it like this: out of the frying pan into the fire. Next one is अपना अपना होता है और पराया पराया. In English we can say blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water. You can learn these are very important. The eighth one is बद अच्छा बदनाम बुरा. This kind of proverbs generally used in our conversation. A bad man is better than a bad name. And next one is इलाज से परहेज अच्छा. This kind of proverbs generally used in our locality. You can use this in English. Prevention is better than cure. You can learn these proverbs by repeating again and again, and you can write these down, and then you can memorize these proverbs, and while talking you can use them. एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती. In English we can say it takes two to make a row or choral. It takes two to make a row or choral. In this way you can learn all these proverbs. Thanks all of you. Good day.